Hello students, this class we will study about the quadratic equation. Okay, it's a very important topic which comes in 8th standard as well, just an introduction in 8th standard and exclusively in the 10th standard. So first we will study quadratic equation. What do you mean by quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is a equation in this form: ax square plus bx plus c is 0. It's a quadratic equation. When you say quadratic, that means the roots will be 2. Roots or zeros or solutions, whatever you call, it is 2. Why? Because the variable will have the power 2. When the variable is having power 2, that means those number of solutions should be there for that particular equation upon the solving. So let's understand the quadratic equation standard form. Here a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, maybe we say it as integers. Okay, x is a variable. So the equation involving a variable in power 2, that is degree 2, is called quadratic equation. So for example, 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is a quadratic equation. What is the degree of this equation? Whenever a degree of the equation or a polynomial is being asked, first you have to identify the variable present, and highest degree of that variable is the power degree of the polynomial. So here degree is 2. How to solve this quadratic equation we will see later. Let's understand first what is quadratic equation. Can we check whether the given are quadratic equation or not? And let's construct statements problems to a quadratic equation form. Okay, let's see. See, what is the application of quadratic equation means in solving the world problems. Quadratic equation are very useful. Let's see the first example. See, John and Jivanti together are 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles now they have is 124. We would like to find how many marbles they had to start with. Okay, so John and Jivanti they had 45 marbles, right? Let sorry, let number of marbles John had X. Therefore, marbles with Jivanti will be how much? 45 minus X, because together they were having 45 marbles. Therefore, number of marbles. Okay. Now, see, 5 marbles they lost. So, after losing 5 marbles, we have to get the count again. Number of marbles with John X minus 5. Same number of marbles with G1T. 45 minus X minus 5. That is 40 minus X. Okay. Now, product after losing the 5 marbles is 124. Therefore, you have to write like this. According to given, how many marbles they have after losing? John has 5 for X minus 5 and Jivanti has 40 minus X. Their product will become 124. This is according to given, but it is not in a quadratic equation. Like how can we identify ax squared plus bx plus c, right? This form we should be seeing here. So just open the brackets and understand x into 40. 40x, x into x minus x square, minus 5 into 40 minus 200, minus into minus plus 5x is equal to 124. So minus x square, 40x plus 5x, 45x. I'll take 124 left hand side. So 124 minus 200. Okay. 200 minus 124, 6, 7. Okay. 76. Minus 76 equal to 0. Again here take out minus common. So minus of x square minus 45x plus 76 equal to 0. Therefore required quadratic equation comes to x square minus 45x plus 76 is equal to 0. Clear? Sorry, my mistake here. When it comes to this should be plus 324. Okay, my mistake here. Just correct it. 324, 324 minus. So because 124 when it comes to left side, it will be minus 200 minus 24 minus 324. So the equation finally will be x square minus 45x minus 324 equal to 0. Sorry, this will be plus. So my mistake again here. Minus of taking x square minus 45x plus 324. I'll take out the steps now. Give me a minute. Okay. So plus 45x, right? X square minus x square plus 45x minus 324, right? Taking minus common here, we get minus of x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Therefore, leaving minus 45x plus 324. This is the equation, quadratic equation. So observe here, what is the a value? 1 because coefficient of x square is always 1. If it is nothing there, then b is minus 45. You have to take always along with the sign. C is 324. Comparing the any quadratic equation with the standard one, you always can make out a, b, c values. So this is the application of the quadratic equation. Once we solve the quadratic equation, we get how many marbles they had to start with. They are just asking us to represent mathematically. This is the application. Okay. So second one, you can try it, but I'll solve that too. Cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. The cost of the production if each toy is 55 minus number of toys. So we don't know the number of toys produced. So let number of toys produced in a day be X. So cost of production, therefore cost of production is 55 minus X they told. 54 minus the number of toys. On a particular day, total cost of production was 750 rupees. Means the number of toys produced and the cost of production together is 750 rupees. Therefore, according to given X of 55 minus X is 750 rupees. Okay. Now you open the bracket 55x minus x square is equal to 750. I'll take out left hand side elements to right hand side. That becomes plus x square minus 55x plus 750 because 750 will be at the right hand side only. So this is the quadratic equation for this word problem. Okay. So there are several applications for quadratic equation. Once you construct a quadratic equation, upon solving this quadratic equation, we can answer the particular word problems. Okay, this quadratic equation, there are several ways to solve the quadratic equation. Next class, we'll see how to identify whether given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, we have to simplify given equations, then we'll arrive at a quadratic equation, either it is a quadratic equation or not a quadratic equation. Okay, thank you.